Hey guys, it's Ren in Kimono. So if you missed it yesterday, I posted a video. There is going to be a sensational clearance event taking place at the Dollar General from Friday to Sunday. I basically went through the clearance section and I was shocked, guys. A couple stores around here, they had stuff in the back that they finally put out for the clearance event. And I was like, where was all this last month? So Friday it is on. It is going to be fantastic. They are getting organized here where they're actually like making the displays early. So definitely go and scout your stores. And if you need a little bit of inspiration or some matchups on how to navigate this sale, because it can be a little bit confusing, please check out the video linked in the notes or at the very end. This is a sensational sale. I am like so excited. I can't contain myself. I'm like really looking forward to Friday. Now, a little meme for all of you that like to laugh. There's a cashier saying 1 coupon per purchase means 1. And then you got the cool cat saying, hey, can I speak to a manager? And while I have you laughing, if you possibly can give this video a big thumbs up, helps out with the channel and the YouTube algorithm so more people can save on buying Gain merchandise over at the Dollar General. Thank you so much in advance, guys. This Saturday, there is this very innovative 6 off of 25 digital. So instead of the 5 off of 25, it's 6. And it is in celebration of leap year. Innovative marketing, Dollar General. Really nice to see. And while you're in your digital folder, load that Beneful coupon. It will come in handy. Wink, wink, nod, nod. Now, this is where the best stack is going to happen is possibly on Saturday. If these two pair, we'll figure that out first thing on Saturday morning, which is the Saturday 6 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. Because the 5 off of 30 is a massive basket for Gain merchandise, I would recommend to try this on Saturday. You really have nothing to lose. But if you wanted to go and do these deals today, just add an extra $6 to your basket. Couple ground rules for you. You have to get to $30 of Gain merch before the stack happens. I would go on Saturday again for that stack with the 6 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. And I would definitely scan the merchandise, scan any paper coupons. After the final paper coupon is scanned, you punch in your phone number and all of the numbers will aggregate at that time to balance. Again, if the numbers don't balance or if you're paying $5 more or $6 more, void the transaction and start from scratch. Everything will stay on your card. Please read also the comments section in this video in case there's a big price change or an error or other shoppers want to share their little finds. It's always listed in this video. And again, these are Michigan prices. So if you're living in a bigger city, like say you're in Los Angeles or Brooklyn, New York, it might be a little different. One thing that I really advocate when you're in the store is to use the Dollar General app to scan to make sure that the coupons that we're talking about and the 5 off of 30 is attaching to the said products that we're picking up. Sometimes they don't have everything programmed in at the beginning of the month. So definitely scan and also bring a pad of paper and a pen to ensure that your numbers are balancing as well. Okay, so deal number 1 is with digital coupons. I think this is safe for anyone to do. You're going to need your 5 off of 30 Gain coupon loaded to your store card. I wish it was a lot less than a $30 basket, but that's what they gave us this month. And then we need the leap year 6 off of 25. So an extra $1 of savings, like that's pretty decent on their behalf. I like this. So we're going to be grabbing one of the Mr. Clean with Gain. Please make sure it has the Gain logo on the bottle. And then we need this little 50 center for this. We're grabbing a Swiffer wet pack with the Gain logo. And then we need this $2 coupon loaded to your store card. And then we're also grabbing 2 of the Febreze Air Effects with the Gain logo. And then you need this 3 off of 2 digital also loaded to your store card. 2 of the Gain dishwashing liquids. And we need this $1 off 2 loaded to your store card. And then we're also going to be grabbing a box of the 105 count of the Gain dryer sheets for $4.50. And then you need this $1 coupon loaded to your store card. And as you can see, it's expiring on Saturday, so use it or lose it. And then one of the massive detergents for $9.95. And then you need this $2 coupon loaded to your store card. Okay, guys, so here's the summary of this basket again. One of the Mr. Clean with Gain for $3. One of the Swiffer Wet with Gain for $4.50. 2 cans of the Febreze Air Effects for $6. They're $3 a pop. And then 2 of the Gain dish soaps for $4. They're also $2 a pop. and then one of the Gain dryer sheets for $4.50, the 105 count, and then one of the Gain detergents, the larger bottles, for $9.95. Adding all of that good merchandise up together, guys, that's a total right there of $31.95. After the cashier scans that last item, you punch in your phone number at the speed of light. The 6 off of 25, the 5 off of 30 will come off, along with the $9.50 of digital manufacturers that we showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $11.45 out of pocket, not including your tax, for the 8 items, essentially making them $1.43 per product. Not a bad little basket. Okay, so deal number 2 again is with digital coupons. You need your cornerstone, which is the 6 off of 25. Please make sure you have that guy loaded to your store card. And then we need his big brother, which is the 5 off of 30 for the Gain merchandise. So I'm going to show you what we're grabbing for this deal. We're grabbing 2 of the Gain fireworks. Again, please scan that you're grabbing the right scent. We have a $2 coupon and a $1 coupon that are both attaching. We're grabbing 2 of the Febreze air effects with the Gain scent, and then we need this 3 off of 2 digital coupon loaded to your store card. One of the Swiffer wet packs with the Gain logo on it, the 10 count, plus this $2 digital coupon. And then we're grabbing one of the big mamas of the Gain detergents for $9.95, and then we need this $2 coupon loaded to your store card. And then to balance out the numbers, we also need to grab one of the Gain dish soaps for $2 as well. Okay guys, so looking at the math here, 2 of the Gain fireworks, they're $4.50 a piece, so that's $9. 2 of the Gain air effects, those cans of the spray by Febreze, that's $6. They're again $3 a piece. One of the Swiffer wet packs with the Gain scent is $4.50. One of the Gain detergents, the larger ones, $9.95. And then one of the Gain dish soaps for $2. That right there is a total of $31.45. Cashier scans that last soap in. You're punching your phone number in at the speed of light. The 6 off of 25 Saturday coupons coming off, along with the 5 off of 30. You have $10 of digital manufacturers loaded to your store card as well. You're left with paying $10.45 out of pocket for the 7 items, not including your tax. It basically shakes out each item to $1.49 each. If you love Gain, that's not a bad price point. Okay, so deal number 3 is with paper coupons, and I'm going to say this is for more experienced shoppers or if your store is somewhat friendly. If your store is all about the word no, this is definitely not a deal for you. So we need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 6 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. Please make sure you have those loaded to your store card. We're also going to be grabbing 6 of the Febreze air effects with the Gain scent added. So 6 of those. And what we're going to do here, guys, is use 2 of these coupons from the March P&G. And how you have to do this is get the cashier to scan 2 of the cans of the spray and then present a coupon. 2 more cans of the spray, present a coupon. It's a goofy method, but that's how you have to scan the coupons to ensure they scan properly. If not, only one will scan at the end at checkout. And it's just the way that it is. I can't really explain it. It's super goofy, but you have to present 2 and then a coupon. And that will also not affect your balance, just to note that before people start asking. And then we're going to need this digital, which is also the 3 off of 2 for this deal. And then we're also going to be grabbing 3 of these Swiffer wet packs. Now there's $1 of automatic savings when you buy them in sets of 2. So you're going to save an extra $1. So the math might be a bit skewed here at the end, but I did factor the $1 of automatic savings. And then from the March P&G, we have these wonderful $2 coupons. So we're going to use 2 of them. And you can scan those at the end because it's just a $2 off of one item. It doesn't need to be scanned in any particular order, just at the end. And then we need this $2 digital as well for this little dealio. Okay, guys, let's look at the math for this one. 6 of the Febreze air effects with the Gain scent is $18. Again, you have to do that goofy order of scan 2 cans, present a coupon, scan 2 cans, give a paper coupon. And then 3 of the Swiffer wets for $12.50. We also have $1 of instant savings. So the total right there is $30.50. However, the balance hasn't dipped down because of those $6 of Febreze coupons. I know it sounds weird, but it's just the way it is. Have a little faith in me, guys. So after You have to present 2 paper coupons also for the Swiffer, and immediately after the cashier scans those 2 paper Swiffer coupons, you punch in your phone number. The 6 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 gain coupons are coming off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers, a $3 for the Febreze, and then a $2 for the Swiffer. So you're left with paying $4.50 for the 9 products, or basically 50 cents each. And I know this deal is kind of like all over the place, but if you can line this up and make this work, 50 cents for these sort of products is just winning in my book. I think it's just absolutely fantastic. Okay, the next deal that we have is with, again, paper coupons. This deal is not as extreme. You need your cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30. Please make sure you have that guy loaded to your store card. And then we also need the 6 off of 25 also loaded for this deal on Saturday. And just to note, all digital coupons are also of a one-time use. And then we're grabbing 3 of these Swiffer wet packs with the Gain logo for $4.50 a pop. We need this $2 digital loaded to your store card, plus 2 of these from the March P&G. And there will also be $1 of instant savings when you buy them in sets of 2. So just to note that, that's why the numbers are a little bit skewed. And then we're grabbing 2 of these Gain dish soaps. And then we need this $1 off 2 loaded for this dealio. And then we're also going to be grabbing 2 of the Febreze with Gain Air Effects sprays, and we need this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2 loaded to your store card, and then 1 of the massive Gain detergents for $9.95, and then we need this little coupon, which is a $2 off. So guys, let's take a quick look at the math for this deal. Okay guys, so here's the math. 3 of the Swiffer wet refills at $4.50 each is $12.50 because we have $1 of instant savings because we're buying them in multiples. 2 of the Gain dish soaps at $2 a piece is $4. 2 of the Febreze with Gain Air Effects, they're $3 each, so that's $6. And then 1 Gain detergent, the larger one, for $9.95. So the total for this basket is $32.45. At this point, you're going to be handing over 2 $2 coupons from the March P&G for the Swiffer products, subtracting $4 right there. Immediately after the cashier scans that last coupon, you're punching in your phone number at the speed of light, and the 6 off of 25 Saturday coupons coming off, along with the 5 off of 30, and $8 of digital manufacturers that we showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $9.45 out of pocket, not including your tax, for the 8 items, essentially making it $1.18 each. And I think that's a fantastic price point and a little bit of like this and that in this basket for your household. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.